For your methods, we look at 6E, question 2G. Okay, so I'm trying to sketch this graph. Okay, it's a SPOI graph. We have a SPOI at 3, 2, and I need to find the x and y intercepts before I draw my graph. So y-intercept is the easiest. X equals 0, so y equals a half minus 3 cubed plus 2. Now minus 3 cubed is negative 27 because it's negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Overall it's negative over 2 plus 2. Now if I can make it over 2, then that's 4 over 2. 2 over 2 is 4 over 2. 4 over 2 minus 27 is minus 23 over 2, which is negative 11.5 roughly. X-intercept, y0. I'm going to sub in, I'm going to move the 2 over to the other side. X minus 3 cubed. Multiply both sides by 2, so that's negative 4. X minus 3 cubed. I'm going to cube root both sides. So I get x minus 3, and then x equals 3 plus the cube root of negative 4. Now, the cube root of negative 4 is not going to overpower the 3, because the cube root of 8 is, we know the cube root of 8 is 2, so that's obviously not going to be 2. Okay, so you're just going to have a positive value for your x. So it's always important to guesstimate whether it's a positive or negative. Now you can draw the graph. Okay, so my SPOI is at 3, 2, so I'm just going to write it here. And my x is positive. Now we're expecting the shape to be like this. That's not very good. We're expecting the shape to be something like this. Okay, and the middle part is meant to be flat. So it's going to look something like that. Okay, so I'm expecting my x-intercept to be somewhere over here. So that's 3 plus root of negative 4. And I'm expecting my y-intercept to be 11.5 below. So if that's true, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So it's somewhere over here, negative 11.5. So I've all got my ducks in a row. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the graph. So you're going to, as accurate as possible, draw the graph. So it's going to look something like that. And that should be sufficient to accurately draw the graph. But make sure it's somewhat accurate. So you've got a SPOI here, and then it continues on like that. So if you drew that, I'll be happy. X-intercept, y-intercept, and SPOI point. Next question is 3E. Now this graph normally would look like this because it's a SPOI on its side. It's like a SPOI graph on its side. That's y equals x to the power third. But if I have the negative version, and can you see the negative in front of the 2? That reflects it on the x-axis. So instead of looking like that, it's going to look like this. Okay. So first things first, our SPOI is going to be 3, 2. And my y-intercept is going to be at negative 2 cube plus 2. Now, the cube root of negative 3 would be 1 point something, and negative 2 times negative 1 point something, because the cube root of a negative number would be negative as well, will be positive something. So this is going to be plus and plus, so it's going to be positive overall. X-intercept, y0. So I'm going to move the 2 to the other side. Okay, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 2, so 1 on the side, x minus 3 to the power a third. Cube both sides, so 1 cubed is 1. You're left with x minus 3. X would equal 4. Okay, so we've got an idea what it looks like. We've got a SPOI thing. It's not really a SPOI, but it's like a SPOI on the side. So for each on this side, we know the y-intercept at 4. So if that's true, then there must be 4 over here. And what's going to happen is, well, we've got this 2 times 1 point something plus 2. So this will be 3 point something. So we're expecting it to be somewhere over here. Okay, so it's 3 point something. I mean 4 point something. Well, 3 point something, not 4 point something, 3 point something. So when I draw the graph, we're expecting something like this. And I'm trying to do it in one motion. Like I said, draw this in pencil so you can rub things out if it doesn't work out. So you're going to get a sploy thing going like this and like that. Okay, so let's try that again. It's going to look like this. So you can even turn your page 90 degrees just so you can draw it like a normal cubic. Okay, so it goes like that. And you're basically done. And you have to obviously label your x-intercept, which is -2, -3, and you can't really simplify this, so it's going to stay like in that form. So I hope that helps.